Hello everyone. I wanted to give a quick overview of what this book is about. Raising our state of consciousness to fulfill our soul's growth. This book is actually a workbook that will teach you meditation, contemplation, and visualization exercises, and also how to work with tarot, letters of the Hebrew alphabet, and the Kabbalah, the tree of life, to reach higher states of consciousness and enlightenment. It's a fully colored illustrated book. And I try to include as much detail as possible to make it as easy as possible to work with. There's also all the spreads, the tarot spreads included in this book, so you may contemplate on them to gain wisdom and understanding. It also starts with a brief autobiography on myself. I do include my interpretation of the 22 divine energies. Each divine energy is associated with a major arcana tarot card, a letter of the Hebrew alphabet, and a path of the Kabbalah. But you have to keep in mind that there's nothing in this world that holds a single universal meaning. You have to do the exercises included in this book to gain the wisdom and understanding that is aligned with your current state of consciousness. Reducing your birth date and the color of your eyes will then help identify the path and the Sephara you hold. This book will then help you understand and how to improve the relationships you hold with people. For example, I give examples on how to identify enlightening relationships, as we can see here in the graphs. I also explain how we can determine the outcome of an experience with someone simply by identifying the personality and the aspect of the state of consciousness they currently hold. As we can see here with the tarot card, the Knights. And of course included all the spreads to contemplate on that will then identify the outcome of an experience with that person. This book is now available on Amazon as an ebook or a paperback copy. I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope this book helps you. And thank you very much. With light and love, thank you.